Imagine this. You roll over in bed, grab your phone, and instead of doom scrolling or wasting hours on social media, you open an app, and within minutes, you've made money. Real money. Cash you can transfer to your bank account, PayPal, or even crypto wallet. Now here's the crazy part. These apps already exist. They're not scams, not get-rich-quick schemes, but real platforms paying people just like you right now in 2025. But here's the twist. Most people will never use them. Why? Because they don't know they exist. Today, we're diving deep into the best apps that pay you real money in 2025. Not surveys, not fake promises, just real, proven ways to earn straight from your phone. Stay with me until the end because the last app, it pays you literally for doing nothing. Why this matters? Think about this. How many hours do you spend on your phone every single day? 3 hours? 5 hours? Maybe more? Now imagine if just a fraction of that time actually paid you. Not points, not gift cards you'll never use, but real spendable money. In a world where side hustles are exploding and inflation is eating up paychecks, learning how to make money from your phone isn't a luxury anymore. It's survival. And the best part? Anyone can start. No experience, no degree, no excuses. App number 1, Swagbucks Evolution. Let's start with one of the classics, Swagbucks. You might have heard of it years ago, but in 2025, it's evolved. It's no longer just about boring surveys. Now you can get paid for watching trending videos, playing new mobile games, shopping online with cashback, even searching the web. The average user can pull in $5 to $15 a day with zero skill. That's $100 to $300 a month, just from things you're already doing. It's not life-changing, but it's proof. Your phone can literally print money. App number 2, TaskRabbit Mobile. Next up, TaskRabbit. This one's perfect if you want to make real daily cash. Think of it as Uber, but for odd jobs. Need help assembling furniture? Someone hires you. Need groceries delivered? Someone hires you. Need help with yard work? Someone hires you. Here's the kicker. Even beginners can earn $25 to $50 per task. Do 2 or 3 in a day. You're easily hitting $100. And with the 2025 mobile upgrade, TaskRabbit now has instant payouts. Meaning, you work today, you get paid today. App number 3, Upwork Quick Gigs. Now let's talk about Upwork. Traditionally, it's been for freelancers, designers, writers, programmers. But in 2025, they launched Quick Gigs. These are bite-sized jobs, like writing a product description, creating a logo template, or editing a TikTok video. The best part? You don't need experience. You don't need a resume. You just pick a gig and complete it. Quick Gigs pay anywhere from $20 to $50 each. Do a couple in the evening, and boom, another $100 day. And here's the truth. While everyone else scrolls Instagram for free, you'll be getting paid to do simple online work. App number 4, Sweatcoin 2025. Okay, let's get weird. What if you could get paid for walking? That's exactly what Sweatcoin does. Back in the day, it only gave you rewards for steps. But in 2025, Sweatcoin upgraded into a full crypto-backed ecosystem. Every step you take earns you Sweatcoins, which can be traded for cash, gift cards, or even crypto. Imagine going for your daily walk, hitting 5,000 steps, and at the end of the week, you cash out $20 to $1.50 just for moving your body. It's fitness plus money equals motivation unlocked. App number 5, Pawns.app 2025, the hidden gem. Now, here's the one you've been waiting for, Pawns.app. This app pays you for literally doing nothing. Here's how it works. When your phone is connected to Wi-Fi, it shares a tiny bit of unused internet bandwidth with Pawns. In return, they pay you. No surveys, no gigs, no walking. Just install it, let it run in the background, and watch money roll in. Most users make $20 to $50 a month passively. Some, with multiple devices, pull in $100 plus without lifting a finger. This is the closest thing to free money you'll ever find in 2025. Now here's the twist. Yes, these apps pay you. Yes, You can make $100 a day using them. But here's the truth no one tells you. Apps alone won't make you rich. They're a start. They can pay your bills, your groceries, your Wi-Fi. But the real power is using these apps to build skills, to build savings, and to eventually launch something bigger. Because the people who stay broke, they treat side hustles as hobbies. The people who break free, they treat them as stepping stones. So now you know, white heavy checkmark Swagbucks Evolution, money for daily habits. White heavy checkmark TaskRabbit Mobile, local gigs that pay fast. White heavy checkmark Upwork Quick Gigs, simple online jobs. White heavy checkmark Sweatcoin 2025, cash for walking. White heavy checkmark Pawns.app, passive background income. These are the best apps that pay you real money in 2025. But apps are just tools. The question is, will you actually use them? Because most people won't. They'll watch this video, nod their head, and go back to scrolling for free. But a few of you, you'll download one, maybe two, and start stacking extra income every single day. And that's where the difference is made. The apps are ready. The money is real. The only question left is, are you? Please note, this video is for educational purposes only. These apps are legit, but income will always vary depending on your effort, location, and consistency. They won't make you rich overnight, but they can change how you think about money.